Alright, we're here at another parking garage here at Lake Nona. Guys are Schindler 3300. It's something other than Kone for once. What is this, a DNA garage or something?
Yes, it is.
Alright.
That's part of a Lake Nona Performance Club.
Gotcha. So, this one's here. Alright. Do love those chimes. Alright, let's see, 6.
Here, let me run them here.
Door close but works. Should have you very basic parking garage elevators. Very nice though, because these are 3300s, so you don't see these a lot in a parking garage. FIGS buttons. Just take it down there. There's your floor indicator. Not sure what the capacity is. Let me check on the certificate. 3500.
Oh, you know what they did? They took it. It was supposed to be right here, but they took it off.
Interesting.
That's why. We'll take one more ride.
Alright.
And then we had it online.
This is actually quite high for a 3300. Never close to the max 3300s can go for. For eventually changes to 5500 for the mid-rise buildings. There's the alarm. He loves doing the alarm.
Yeah, I'm actually starting to get, kind of tired. But like yesterday was a super long day for me. Like I couldn't even stay up there the whole night. But today, I'm fine.
There you go. Probably these buttons don't light up. There's your manpower elevator. Alright. That'll be it for these elevators.